Hey guys, it's Lakeisha with What's Next. Johnny and I have just arrived at Resorts World in Bimini, Bahamas, and we're heading to our room now. Very nice touches that they have here. So I just kind of wanted to show you the hallway, how nice it looks. Get a really modern, nice feel, kind of a high-class feel coming through this hallway. So let me get down to our room and then I will show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we made it to the room. That's a nice artwork on the wall here. And we will go on in. Make this smaller so you guys can see. And already walking in the door, it's nice wood floor here. First thing you come up to on your right is the bathroom, dual sinks. Wow, this is really nice. To your left here is the shower. Wow, look at that shower head. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is the first time we've come here. It's got the soaps and everything on the wall for you. And it even has a window here that sees into the rest of the room. So that's kind of neat. I like that. I like the material on the walls. Not like we're moving in, but still, that's kind of neat. And then for your toilet area, let me see how to open this door. Here, look at this glass, frosted glass door. That's so cool. This is nice. Pretty basic in here, but still, the decorative touches are kind of cool. And they spared no expense on the costs here. It's a little bit dark. I apologize. We really just walked into the room trying to get some light. How do I get light right here? Okay, well, give me 1 second, guys. I apologize. Okay, so note to self at Resorts World. Have to have a very high IQ to figure out the lights. But since that's not me, you're going to see this a little bit in the dark. So this is right when you walk in the first door, or the door. You've got this really nice big closet. So if you're staying for a while, you've got a full ironing board and an iron and extra hangers. Lots of closet space. I'm sure there's a way to turn the lights on in this hallway and we'll figure it out. But in the meantime, your in-room safe. Ice bucket. There's some space in case you brought the boat over like us. You got to shop in duty free and get some good prices on liquor. So you may want to store that up there. Your mini fridge and, like I said, your in-room safe. So we got all our bags right here. It's a nice touch because sometimes you just don't really have a place to put your bags. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I know a lot of people are, so it's kind of nice to have that here. And then lots of towels. The pools around here look amazing. So we're going to test those out maybe later and probably show you guys that too. So in here, that's that window that goes into the shower. Not quite sure what that's for, but it's kind of cool touch.
A little warrior.
Oh, okay. That was uncalled for. This is my dream right here. I love to be able to control my own temperature, so that's really nice to have that. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. This is the room. This is the king size. We just thought we were getting like a regular room, but it looks like it actually is a little more than that. It's got a nice couch over here. Maybe it pulls out. I don't know. It's just the two of us, so as long as Johnny doesn't make me mad, he won't have to use that couch. And let's go look at what our view is. Oh, not bad. We got a nice balcony here. Let's see. Okay. Well, we'll figure that out too. But we do have some chairs on our balcony and we just see kind of in the resort and the houses next door. So there's not really a whole lot as far as our view, but on the other side, if you're on the other side of the resort, there is a pool view. So Johnny figured it out, so I'm going outside. But look at this wood floor on the patio. That's different. Okay, you got the glass here, so if you do bring your kids, Don't know why you would, but if you do, then I guess they can be safe, or your dogs maybe. But here's the review, or the view from our room. It's really nice. Oh yeah, if I move down, it's really not far from where the ships come in. And you can kind of see the top. If you look in the distance, you can kind of see the cruise ship. So yeah, little golf cart. Probably rent one of those because that seems to be the way to get around while you're here. We can have some drinks here outside. That'll be kind of nice. And then back to the room, sorry. Oh, well, there you go. There's a pull-out bed. And you got your TV and all the basics. Not anything too out of the ordinary, but again, that looks like they took some time when they thought out the different features that they have in here as far as decorating and the materials that they used. So we're gonna check out some more of the resort and areas around here. We're at Resorts World in Bimini, Bahamas. This is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next, and we'll see you next time.